Listen, I know y'all been thinking to yourself, Sir Walt, where have you been? Twin, we just want to see you win. Listen, y'all, this is your boy's first sneaker purchase all year. Sneaker World, internets. This is a drip ejector with a flavor selective and always with that Southern South Carolina perspective. We went to LA with this one. Union LA, that is. And this is the Jordan 1 Union LA. This release, it was very interesting because it wasn't just like a regular drop on the website. They dropped at 11 o'clock with a raffle. And your boy, I ain't gonna lie, I was kind of losing hope, but my email came through and my pair had finally got here. Now, my pair apparently is kind of late compared to everybody else in the Carolinas. I've been seeing a lot of the homies with their pairs. They already had them on feet, but my pair just got here today, so I want to share it with y'all. Let's go to it. Also, I know y'all see there is some new updates, you know what I mean? The background's a little different. We're racked up now. Yeah, we got racks, you feel me? So the shoes is not just scattered about. Anyways, let's get to the kicks. This is the box. You already know. 9.5, my size. You know what I mean? A very cool box. And the packaging is super cool. It has that new Air Jordan 1 smell. If you know, you know. And the shoes come individually wrapped. Union LA. I really appreciate that. Y'all, this is the Union Air Jordan 1. Y'all, if y'all already know, it mixed the Chicago with the shadows and the execution. To me, is absolutely beautiful. Now, I already know a lot of people prefer the OG colorways, the two OG colorways, but this one right here is not to be slept on, y'all. Look at that stitching on there. We got that Carolina blue stitching. You know what I mean? We got the white Nike on the tab, on the tongue. And this back area right here, this right here is a lint magnet. Because I just pulled these out and I can tell this is definitely going to be a lint magnet on the collar. So that's something to look out for. But other than that, y'all, we got that beautiful tumble leather. Sail on the tongue with the black baby blue stitching. 3 sets of laces. Ooh, I just noticed too. Exposed foam on the tongue. That's something I didn't even notice. So you got 2-tone laces as well. So let me see. Cause I don't want to steer y'all wrong. I do not want to steer y'all wrong. All right, so with the sail lace goes into a black at the top. That is dope. The gold lace is just gold all the way through and through. And then you can go with the black lace and it turns gray towards the top. So, I don't know, y'all. I don't know which one I'm a rock. I think I might have to go with the sail just so I can have something that looks different from the Chicago. But I ain't gonna lie, that black and gray is insane, y'all. This is a beautiful shoe. I know a lot of y'all have already seen it, but I had to put it on the record. You know what I mean? This is my first sneaker purchase all year. You know what I'm saying? I'm definitely looking forward to the Nigel 4s and the Nike SB Jordan 4s as well. But, y'all, this is that first one right here. Here's the inner. Y'all can see that lining. Y'all can see that 9.5. Y'all, these are them. These are them. I like that Union LA tab right there as well. So, y'all, I'm noticing this with y'all. Also, it's kind of like an exposed raw edges right there. Y'all see that? Classic ball and wing logo. Y'all, it's simplistic, but it's beautiful. I love it. Hold on, let's look at the other pair real quick. Ooh. This the one with the baby blue Jumpman hang tag. Alright. Y'all, this is them. Quick, simple, you know what I mean? We're not going to stay on it too long, but I'm excited to get back into the sneaker world and copping pairs. It's 2025, y'all, so it's time to pop out and show. Y'all, my first sneaker purchase for the whole year. So until the next episode, peace and love, and rock your kicks. Or stock your kicks. You know what I mean? We're not judging over here. Peace.